Hi, my name is Yara.
I'm 6 years old.
So hi, my name is Yara.
Hi, Diala. I'm 6 years old. I'm gonna make a video.
Okay, let's go. Come on. So what are we gonna be doing? Let's just find out.
So we have to wait till Maya and Diala comes back.
So we are going to a performance. So
We're going here.
we're gonna jump. Okay. And your mics.
Maya and Diala.
And your mics. Get set. Maya and Yara. That's fun. Let's walk. Let's run. Mama. Let's get one of those flowers.
So,
Get that one right there.
I'm going to get any flowers you want. This one?
Mhm.
This big one?
Mhm.
Grab it from the side of the big thing.
Go get. No, never mind. Get this one. Now make a wish.
I wish that I had a
Got the camera.
a phone.
Ready? Blow your wish. You gotta blow until all this is over. Yay! So, this is gonna be running, okay? Let's go.
So this is gonna be funny time.
So, we did do a photo shoot.
But
little
we didn't get to
photo
finish.
And yeah, so we're gonna run. And then we'll be
Wait, I got
Here we go.
something.
Let's go. Run! Run back! Run! No! Don't put it on, no, don't put it on the ground. Now run! 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 Gonna have a race. So you ready? Are you in mice? Get set, go. Yeah. She said polo. So, that's basically what I got for you guys today. I have no idea. Like this over there.
Oh yeah, Maya, a video.
So, yeah, but so say bye.
Bye everyone.